Microsoft Powertoys is one of the company's most important tools for power users, but with 3 ways of downloading it, it can get a little confusing. My name is Yadullah, you are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can download Powertoys from GitHub. Now there are actually 3 ways you can download Microsoft Powertoys. You can get it from its official GitHub repository, you can download it from Microsoft Store, and you can download it from Microsoft's website. So let me just pull up the official Microsoft page first for Powertoys. So as you can see, the official documentation details all the requirements that you need and gives you steps for installing the file from GitHub, from Microsoft Store, or from the Windows Package Manager. Since we're going to use GitHub, we're going to go to the official GitHub repository. The link will be in the description below. And you'll land at a page that looks something like this. Now in here, all you have to do is scroll down and click on Downloads and Release Notes, this button right here. So as you can see here, we have 4 different installers. Now these installers are divided into 64-bit and ARM installers. So you get Powertoys functionality on both x64 systems and ARM systems. Now the installers are divided into per user and machine-wide installers. Machine-wide installers, as you can probably guess, install Powertoys on the machine, which means that they can be used by any user who has a user account on a given machine. Other than that, you can also install it on a per user basis, which ensures that if you're installing it in, let's say, your user account, any other users on the same PC that have their own user accounts will not be able to use Powertoys. So go ahead and download whatever installer suits your requirements the best, and then simply double click the download file to start the installer, follow the instructions, and Powertoys will be installed on your PC in no time. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if we can make any other such videos for you, or if you have any thoughts on this video, I'll be down there talking to you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.